went to a weekend school where the teacher would teach a lot of kids at once, and I found it was really hard to engage in the conversations because people were whispering English and the teacher didn't have much time to talk with everyone individually. And I tried the summer camp at YingHua, and because everyone around you was speaking Chinese and everything you did had Chinese on it, the pencil box had 铅笔盒 on it, and then the eraser said 橡皮. And so I found it was a lot easier to just connect to the words, kind of like a switch was turned on. And then that's when I decided to go to the school full-time to really improve my Chinese.
我感谢妈妈让我做这么有意义的事情。
学习中文不是1年2年的事，你必须一直坚持下来，所以你可以说得很流利。如果你想要在生活中用中文，你必须说得最好，所以你可以更好地跟别人沟通。
有恒心，有毅力，做什么事都能成功。